This is the brief on the Leapmotor B10. It's an accessible, tech-loaded, compact electric SUV built for the global market, aimed at young professionals and families wanting premium features without the premium price tag. We'll start with how this car moves you, transition to what you experience inside, and finish with what it costs. First, powertrains and range. Sitting on the new Leap 3.5 architecture, the fully electric version hits 100 kilometers per hour in just 8 seconds, gets up to 434 kilometers of range, and fast charges from 30 to 80% in exactly 20 minutes. The hybrid Reeve offers a massive 900-kilometer combined range. Since a Reeve's gas engine acts solely as a generator for the battery, not driving the wheels, it's basically like carrying a massive gas-powered power bank to completely crush range anxiety. Second, with all that driving capability, you need a comfortable cabin. You get a smart cockpit with a 14.6-inch 2.5K Snapdragon touchscreen and native Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. Now, does all this make it feel too much like a smartphone on wheels? Not really, because 22 smart storage spots and front seats that fold completely flat actually ground the car in practical physical comfort. Plus, 17 safety functions are pushing for a 5-star rating. Finally, great range and tech usually signal a massive price tag, but the B10 flips that script. Starting in Europe at an ultra-competitive €29,900, it brings luxury tier features down to budget hatchback pricing. The Life trim packs a panoramic glass roof and 360-degree camera, while design adds premium eco-leather and heated ventilated seats. The Leapmotor B10 combines highly flexible electric range, a seriously smart and spacious cabin, and aggressive pricing to shake up the compact SUV market. At under 30 grand, it's practically daring you to find a reason not to go electric.